Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be ice fishing here, catching some big fish, some little fish, and eating some pasta for lunch. So stay tuned, it's going to be a good video. Let's go fishing. Hey, we're all set up here now. Today I'm using just a pink jig head again. Seems to be what works best at the spot I'm at. And some worms. Check them out. Oh, yeah. Like so. That's what we're using today. So let's drop her on down and see what it's like. Got here pretty early today. Well, not early, but like in the afternoon today. So hoping to catch the evening bite. It's about 1 o'clock, so we got a little while till then, but should be good. Well, I was just fishing off camera here, and we got our first fish of the day. Just a little guy, little brook trout. Right on, hey? Little guy. See you later. Got one guy checking me out here. Oh, got him. Oh, another little guy. Oh, there he goes. Well, you seen him on the GoPro. Hope I got him on GoPro. I think I did. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. He's still there. I think 2 came in there. One was a bit bigger, but I caught the little guy. Then when I dropped back down, that bigger one was there, but I might have spooked him when I released the other guy. GoPro should have had both of them though, so that's cool. I just had a big one just swim by and swipe at my bait here, so see if we can get him to come back. You guys hear that ice crack? Holy. Dang, that was a big one. He came by, took a swipe, and then just kept going. That's fishing. Lunchtime. What do we got? Well, got some leftover pasta. I plan to make a fire to warm it up, but I'm not doing that. Yeah, oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Two fish so far, not too bad. Seen another one, so seen about 3 in 2 hours here. Afternoon's usually slow, so I'm not too worried, but about an hour and a half till night bite, so wait till then, it should be good. Stay tuned. guy checking me out, but I decided to turn on the camera instead of catch him, so. Got him on GoPro though, so that's cool. Holy, this guy just came out of nowhere and crushed it. It's a big one. Whoa, come here. Hold on. Check that fish out. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Look at him. Beauty. He just crushed it. Came out of nowhere and crushed it. Let's let him go here. Hey, buddy. Dang, no time to turn on any cameras. He just came in and just crushed it. What a fish. Let's catch some more. Oh, big one, big one, big one. Big one, guys. We crushed it. Real neat, really nice one. Come on, get him up. Get him up. Oh, we got him. Woo-hoo. Let's go. This is a beauty. Another beautiful brook trout. Oh, that's a stud. Check him out. Beauty. Let's let him go. Hey, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Thanks for biting. Cool. So I did to catch that guy is I took my worm and my jig and I put it in the bottom of the mud. I spun up all the mud, made a big mess down there, and then brought it up and was dancing it above. And I did that 2 or 3 times, and sure enough, he just came and cranked it. So, little tip for you guys there. Make a mess in the mud and then dance above it. Get everything's attention, and then they'll be able to see your hook above all that mud. So, give that a try. I'm gonna try and show you guys what I mean by getting in that mud. I got the GoPro down here. It's pretty dark though, so you guys might not be able to see, but I'll try my best. So as I get it right in the mud, and just jig it. Make a mess. I'm not sure you guys can see. And then bring it up above, and give it some jerks. Then back in, make a mess. And then take it up above and bounce it some more. That's how I caught that big one. That's how I've caught lots of fish before, so that's the best way to do it, I think. I went outside for a pee and I'm getting hit. My worm's half gone. He's right here. He's right there. It's a nice one. It's a really nice one. Oh, guys, I went for a pee really quick and then he came and... Oh, he's back, he's back, he's back. It's a really nice fish. Probably similar to the last 2 big ones we caught. Scared to put my camera in the water because I might spook them. Nothing left. Strip me. Well, that's it for today, guys. I'm losing light here. Caught some pretty nice fish, little guys too. Had some past on the water, so shorter video today, but we had a good time. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the click. Subscribe, like, all the things. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.